The parametric equations of a curve are x equals 3 sine theta and y equals 2 cos theta. We want to find dy dx. We start by taking x equal to 3 sine theta and differentiate with respect to theta. Dx d theta is 3 cos theta. We do the same with y. Y is equal to 2 cos theta. Differentiating with respect to theta gives dy d theta is minus 2 sine theta. We know that dy dx can be written as a dy d theta times d theta dx. And of course d theta dx is equal to 1 over dx d theta. So this becomes dy d theta, which is minus 2 sine theta, multiplied by 1 over 3 cos theta. The minus 2 over 3 gives minus 2/3, and sine theta divided by cos theta is tan theta. We now want to find the equation of the normal to the curve at the point where theta is equal to pi by 6. Remember, the normal is a straight line, so we need to find the gradient and the y-intercept. Dy dx will give us the gradient of the tangent to the curve. If theta is pi by 6, dy dx is equal to minus 2/3 times the tan of pi by 6. Remember, pi by 6 is 30 degrees, and the tangent of this is 1 over root 3. So we have minus 2/3 times 1 over root 3, which is minus 2 over 3 root 3. Remember, this is the gradient of the tangent to the curve. Also remember that if we have two perpendicular lines with gradients m1 and m2, the product of the gradients is always minus 1. It follows that here the gradient of our normal is going to be 3 root 3 over 2, since this multiplied by this will give us minus 1. We're also going to need a point on the curve. We have x is 3 sine theta, and we know that theta is pi by 6. So x is 3 sine pi by 6. The sine of pi by 6 is a half, so this is 3 over 2. We know that y is 2 cos theta. So we have 2 cos pi by 6. The cosine of pi by 6 is root 3 over 2. So the 2's will cancel, just leaving us with root 3. The normal is a straight line, so we can start with y equals mx plus c. We know a point, so we can substitute in a y value. We know the gradient, and we know the x value of our point. This enables us to find c. So root 3 is equal to 9 root 3 over 4 plus c. C is going to be root 3 Take away 9 root 3 over 4, and root 3 is 4 root 3 over 4, so C would be minus 5 root 3 over 4. We can now write that y is equal to the gradient 3 root 3 over 2 times x, take away 5 root 3 over 4.